Looking to enhance the security of your Telegram account? In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to enable auto-lock on Telegram. Let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your Android smartphone. Once you're in, tap on the three-line menu button situated in the top left corner. Proceed to navigate to Settings. Within Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, locate Passcode Lock and tap on it. Now select Auto Lock and choose between 1.5 minutes or 1.5 hours to automatically lock your account. By following these steps, you can enable Auto Lock on Telegram, providing an added layer of security to your messaging experience. Ensure the safety of your conversations and maintain your privacy by setting up Auto Lock on Telegram. This feature helps protect your account from unauthorized access and keeps your chats secure. Remember, taking proactive measures to secure your account is essential in today's digital world. Enable Auto Lock on Telegram and have peace of mind knowing your messages are protected. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tips on optimizing your Telegram security settings.